Journaling prompt: what are your favorite hobbies? Archer and Olive shared some wellness journaling prompts on their Instagram for the month of May. Knowing I don't journal daily, I just picked a prompt from the list that I thought I might enjoy writing about. So what are my favorite hobbies? To the shock and surprise of no one, I love crafty hobbies. I started with scrapbooking in high school, arranging photos with cute stickers and embellishments. When I was in high school, I'd also decorate my notebooks. It wasn't sophisticated or stylish. It was mostly me doodling in the margins of my notebook next to whatever notes I was writing down in my science or history class, accurately documenting the duality of my interests, academic and artistic. It was also the beginning of my love of this journaling hobby. If my high school self could have seen this coming, a notebook covered in colorful and foiled stickers that allows me to have an outlet for my love of writing and stickers, I would have been over the moon excited. I find so much joy in paper crafting and getting to express myself through a creative medium. Card making, stamping, creating mini albums, decorating shadow boxes, altering and embellishing craft boxes. I love it all. And then I found planning and the planner community, and that changed everything. Planning was like scrapbooking my life 1 week at a time. I loved the structured columns and the 2D limitations that narrowed down the supplies I needed to stickers and washi tape. I was hooked instantly. As much fun as planning is, it's the planner community that makes it my favorite hobby. I found other people who loved stickers and being crafty as much as I do. Let's face it, it's not the most common hobby. So finding people who understand and love it too was so incredible. I have people to talk to about my fun little sticker hobby, because it's not just my fave hobby, it's their favorite too.